Imagine a world where truth is no longer obscured by noise, misinformation, or manipulation. A world where every individual has the power to access verified facts in real time, to engage meaningfully with their communities, and to take control of their most valuable asset, their knowledge. This is the vision of Truth Unveiled, a revolutionary ecosystem designed to empower individuals, foster collaboration, and reshape the way we interact with information. For too long, our data has been scattered across apps, corporations, and centralized systems that exploit it for profit. Politicians claim to represent us, but remain out of touch with our realities. Social media amplifies disinformation faster than facts can catch up. But what if we could change all that? What if we could reclaim our power, monetize our knowledge, and build a world where truth is accessible to everyone? This isn't just a dream. It's the foundation of Truth Unveiled. In today's digital age, misinformation spreads faster than ever. From fake news headlines to manipulated social media posts, the truth is often buried beneath layers of noise. Politicians rely on catchy slogans that obscure harmful policies, while corporations profit from disinformation campaigns designed to divide us. Your data isn't just scattered, it's exploited. Apps like Angry Birds and Candy Crush collect more personal information than most people realize. Corporations like Walmart, Starbucks, Bank of America, and Kaiser Permanente profit from your data while leaving you out of the equation. Even political campaigns spend billions of dollars buying voter data from third-party brokers to influence elections. Politicians are often accused of being disconnected from their constituents, not because they don't care, though some may not, but because they rely on outdated marketing techniques and generic polling data that fail to reflect real people's lives. Truth Unveiled is more than just a platform. It's a movement powered by three transformative technologies. Jasmy, personal data lockers, PDLs, for securing individual data, Junction for pooling knowledge and computational power, and Zebec Network for rewarding civic engagement in real time. Jasmy's personal data locker doesn't store your data in one centralized location or black box. Instead, it uses IPFs, or interplanetary file system, to distribute your information across a global network of nodes. Content addressing. Your data is broken into cryptographically hashed chunks, each assigned a unique content identifier, or CID. This ensures data integrity. If the content changes, its CID changes too. Global distribution. Your data is spread across multiple nodes worldwide, eliminating single points of failure and ensuring resilience against outages or breaches. Encryption. Advanced encryption techniques make your data virtually hack-proof, with Jasmy claiming quantum resistance to protect against future threats posed by quantum computing. Privacy and control. You decide who accesses your data, for what purpose, and for how long, giving you complete ownership over your digital essence. Monetization opportunities. Share your knowledge ethically in real time with marketplaces or AI systems in exchange for compensation through Jasmy coins or other rewards. Jasmy PDLs empower individuals to reclaim control over their data while contributing their evolving truths securely to the ecosystem. Junction serves as the backbone of Truth Unveiled's decentralized infrastructure by combining real-time knowledge contribution with computational power pooling. Knowledge contribution individuals securely share insights from their PDLs to create a global pool of real-time intelligence that fuels AI systems ethically. GPU pooling aggregates unused computational resources from smartphones, laptops, gaming consoles, businesses, universities, and corporations to create a virtual supercomputer. Decentralized infrastructure reduces reliance on centralized data centers while enhancing scalability and fault tolerance. Junction eliminates the need for centralized supercomputers powered by nuclear plants or massive energy grids. Instead, it leverages idle resources globally to provide the energy needed for decentralized AI systems while minimizing environmental impact. Xebec Network transforms civic engagement into an economic opportunity by providing real-time compensation for participation in Truth Unveiled's ecosystem. Users earn cryptocurrency or fiat currency for engaging with civic platforms, fact-checking claims, attending town hall meetings, or submitting feedback on policies. Payments are streamed directly into users' wallets per second, no delays or minimum thresholds. Xebec incentivizes participation by turning learning into earning within the knowledge economy. This ensures that individuals are rewarded for contributing their knowledge while fostering collaboration within the ecosystem. Whether you're debating at the water cooler or scrolling through social media posts filled with misinformation, Truth Unveiled gives you instant access to verified facts through dynamic AI agents representing democratic, Republican, and independent perspectives. Instead of walking away from debates or ignoring posts you disagree with, Truth Unveiled encourages civic engagement by rewarding you for educating others with verified information. Your data isn't just valuable, it's platinum grade because it's live and relevant in real time. Political campaigns can use anonymized insights from PDLs to understand their constituents better than ever before. Advertising agencies can tailor campaigns based on real-world preferences rather than outdated assumptions. The more you engage, whether it's attending school board meetings or fact-checking claims, the more valuable your contributions become in the knowledge economy. Changing the world doesn't happen overnight, but it does happen one step at a time. Truth Unveiled is designed to draw people into its vision gradually. First, start by empowering individuals with Jasmy PDLs so they can secure their digital essence. Second, introduce Junction as the hub where their contributions fuel AI systems ethically. Third, incentivize participation through Xebec Network's real-time reward system. Fourth, show how engaging civically strengthens democracy while benefiting individuals financially. And finally, build momentum as people realize they're reclaiming power, not just for themselves, but for humanity as a whole. Mark Reddick's vision for Truth Unveiled isn't just about technology. It's about empowering people to reclaim control over their data, engage meaningfully in civic life, and contribute to societal progress through decentralized systems like Jasmy PDLs, Junction infrastructure, and Xebec network rewards. This isn't just a tool, it's a game changer that puts truth in your hands anytime you need it while incentivizing collaboration within a global knowledge economy built on ethical principles. Let's change the world together, one PDL at a time.